What?
What the hell was that?
I was trying to match like that.
Alright. YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Kamish back in this bitch. You know what it is. We got another sneaker review for y'all today. Just got the box in today. I don't know if I want to tell y'all what it is, but honestly, it's like a million reviews on the same sneaker, so it really doesn't matter. So we get straight to the unboxing now. Oh god. Oh, it's also two other little goodies in here as well that I got. So it's not just sneakers. I caught two other things off the Nike app this weekend on Saturday. And to be honest with you, these things were actually sitting like in every sneaker store, online and in person. So of course here's the shoes that I caught right here. See, label. There we go. So of course you got the Air Jordan 11 Retro, Platinum Tint, University Red, retail price $220. Never pay that. Show y'all the other things that I did. Caught from there, so I was able to get 2 Jordan shirts. The first one is to go with my gold toe ones that I got. You see the official gold toe Jordan shirt. Nike Air on the back. And then the second one, I was looking for a shirt, man, to go with the with those, what is it, the International 5s, the International Flight 5s. So I was able to cop a little Jordan 5 shirt as well, the International colorway, nothing on the back of that one. But just a little, I mean, really it was what, $10 and $12 a piece, so easy cop for those. So. But onto the shoes, so, man, these things are nice, man. I don't know why people hating on these. I like it, man. Platinum, oh shit. The Platinum Tint 11s. You see it? The shoe is actually beautiful in person. Absolutely beautiful. The suede. You got no backstroke motion. It's more like a nubuck than it is a suede. And the quality is not great. You got glue stains on here. Down at the bottom, you can see. The only thing that I don't like about this shoe is just this red little extra line right now. Really, if they didn't have that, I think the shoe would be way better. The red Jumpman is dope. The Jumpman Jordan and the laces is nice. You got a gold Jumpman inside of the shoe. I don't know if you can see that. The red shoe tree. So overall, the quality, I mean, I like it. Everybody's talking about it, saying how ugly it is, but with the white laces, the eggnog bottoms, definitely a nice shoe in my opinion. Yeah, nice 360 of it. Back. Your Jumpman. Side. I'm digging it. What you think? Young A, what you think? From the background. So?
At first I thought it was bad.
You thought it was bad at first? Why am I sweating? God damn. Hot. Huh? You don't like the color? Nah, man. The shoes is dope, man. The shoes is dope. I mean, I'm not really the biggest Jordan 11 fan anyway, but I actually like these because they don't have pat leather on. Like, it actually makes me like the shoe that much more. But, I mean, you guys have seen a million reviews on it. I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of the Jordan 11 Platinum Tint. Got the 2 Jordan shirts as well. I got some more reviews coming for y'all later this week. I ordered a couple things online, so they should be coming in Thursday, Friday, and hopefully maybe one of them will come in next week. So I got some heat coming, some grails that I wanted to always get. Give y'all some nice reviews, you know what I mean? So y'all can see what it is. But yeah, that's just my quick unboxing, quick review of the Platinum 11s. No, they're not bad, man. It's not a bad shoe. Look at it. It's not a bad shoe. It does not look bad at all.
It looks like a Team Jordan color.
It does not look like a Team Jordan colorway, bro. It does not. Like they haven't had anything like this color-wise.
I know this.
Like this is, to be honest with you, I have no idea why it's sitting. I don't know why it's sitting. Like the fact that they have every size in every store, online, everywhere. Shout out to my plug on Sneaker Syndicate downtown Orlando, man. If y'all go to Orlando, man, holla at them. They got everything. But yeah, the 7210 bottom, red Jumpman carbon fiber. It's dope. I like it. I'll take these over. Dang, they gonna think I'm crazy. I would take these over Gammas. I would take these over my Space Jams I got. I would take these over the University Blue 11s. Like, I like these shits. No? Dang, even wifey said no. So nobody likes this shoe? You like this shoe? Dang. Alright, so I'm the only one that likes it, but whatever. I don't care. It's a nice shoe to me, man. I'ma rock it. Obviously, since it's sitting everywhere, nobody has it. Nobody fucking bought it. So I'm gonna be one of the few people to be wearing it, so I'll take that. That's cool to me. They'll probably be in outlet soon, so be on the lookout for that. But I got mine for less than retail, and that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll holler at y'all when I get these this next heat, man. They're not shattered backboards, actually. It's not the shattered backboards, okay? It is 2 pairs of Jordan 1s and a pair of Jordan 5s.
Top 3s.
It's the 2 pairs of Jordan 1s and it's a pair of Jordan 5s, okay? And I'm not gonna tell you what they are, sir, okay? Y'all see later on, man. I appreciate y'all, man.